Hey gang! Time for another Imperfect Foods unboxing. That's right. Imperfect Foods gives you all the stuff that it has like misprinted labels or it isn't perfect to sell from grocery stores produce wise. So instead of having it go to waste for farmers, you can be cooking ugly, hashtag cooking ugly, and saving food from being wasted. And when you hashtag cooking ugly, Imperfect Produce also gives 5 pounds of produce to a food bank in your area. So it's Imperfect Foods now because you don't get just produce, as you will see in my box. I have some potato gnocchi. I seriously love gnocchi like you would not believe. So there's that. I went a little light on my box too because I'm getting ready to leave for a trip out of the country. So I literally want my fridge to be as empty as possible. However, girls still gotta eat. So I have some beautiful butter lettuce. I really don't know what's wrong with it. I really don't know what's wrong with it. Again, kale, don't know what's wrong with it. Why is it not perfect? Now, I do understand on these carrots. Look how huge these carrots are. Oh my God, they're like monster carrots. So many carrot sticks happening there. Then I've got some cucumbers. I got a nice little salad going here. I've got some Roma tomatoes. That would be good with that potato gnocchi. And then I've got, whoop, ooh, almost dropped it. Got some sweet potatoes. Cook those up, little nibbles. Got some apples. No, the apple a day. And finally, I've got, oh, I can't even fit them all. Kiwis! Now, did you know, here's an interesting little fact. Did you know you can actually eat the skin of the kiwi? A lot of people think that's because it's furry and fuzzy that you cannot eat it or that it's not going to taste good. But it actually does, and it gives it some amazing texture while you're eating it. And it's not all squishy because you've peeled the kiwi. So, yes. So that is my Imperfect Foods. If you want to join the food revolution, start reducing waste, just leave a little comment. I'll make sure you get $10 off the first box, which is awesome. Who doesn't like saving money? Until then, keep cooking ugly.